Welcome to FETW Insights Daily Iron Ore and Steel Updates 1st September 2025. Hi, I'm Shruti. Let's begin with today's key updates from the iron ore and steel market. The SGX contract settled at $101.65 per DMT in the noon closing hours, down 1.76% from the previous settlement of $103.47. Prices opened at $103.05 but slipped during the session, touching an intraday low of $100.80, reflecting renewed weakness after last week's recovery attempts. The decline signals ongoing demand concerns as Chinese steel mills adopt a cautious buying approach amid high inventories and softer steel margins. Market sentiment also remains weighed by uncertainty in China's property and construction sector, which continues to limit iron ore consumption. On the supply side, stable shipments from major miners kept pressure on prices. Overall, today's movement highlights bearish undertones in iron ore futures, with sentiment dominated by demand-side headwinds rather than supply disruptions. Turning to the Indian domestic market, the Indian domestic steel market remains stable today, with prices holding steady across major hubs. Trading activity was balanced, supported by moderate restocking from traders and steady but limited demand from end users. Pellet prices in India varies between 8,500 rupee to 8,600 rupee per ton, ex-Barville. Pellet sponge trading levels around 23,200 rupee to 23,300 in Raipur, showing uptrend of 100 rupees. Domestic billet trading levels in Raipur at 36,600 rupee to 36,700. Rebar trading levels at Raipur 39,500 rupee to 39,600 for the grade Fe 500. However, in southern India, the trading levels between rupees 43,000 to 45,500. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and stay ahead with FETW Insights. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.